messed up.
Right.
It was all morels. All of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
There
weren't that many. I mean, there was probably like 10, 11, 12 maybe.
I've already had my fill.
But, they were all that.
I mean, I could use another sandwich, but I think because when I cooked mine, I didn't cook them right the second time. There were too many of them for me to cook. And I know they're only good 3 or 4 days once you pick them.
Yeah. But I'll tell you the little patch that I did find. I think it was before the fucking, not far away from it. It was right before.
But you remember all them little gray ones we found? They should be yellow now. On the top of the hill that time? Yes, the big patch of 165. Don't be dropping the F-bomb a lot. I'm on video. Okay, here's where we go down, Felicia. You cuss like a sailor.
I do. My kids are used to it. They used to say, oh, you said a bad word. Now they're just like, yeah. Let's just talk.
You're going to get hot with that jacket on. If I don't break my neck coming down here. Oh! I about broke my neck coming down. Wait a minute. Did you find one?
No.
Oh. You fell. So did mine, but I didn't fall. I wish I'd have caught that on video. You should have hollered so I could have turned around. See, I know I found yellow on this trail right here before. Right that way. Okay, why can't I find my dip? Nobody's been down here this morning seen cobwebs. Your phone ringing? So you don't have a signal down here? I said, I thought you didn't have a signal down here. Here, mushrooms. So do I. Must be walking the trail. Okay, here's my dip. All right, there we go, another nature walk. I'm talking to the phone. Another nature walk. Pause. Here's what we're looking for, folks. Been up a couple days. Right here. Is that pretty? Morel. Like I said, too bad we don't have smell-o-vision because this thing smells really, really good. Okay, I'm going to end the video so I can put the phone away and start looking. Peace out, my friends.